calm, and I like things chilly. Ice and snow are perfect, really. I'm a solid, firm and strong. Hold my shape the whole day long. When it's cold, things stay the same. Solid is my steady name. Molecules in place, nice and tight. I'm an ice cube feeling right. We're the states of matter, don't you see? Solid, liquid, gas, that's three. We change around, it's what we do. Learning with the animals and now you too. I'm fish, I swim and flow. In water's liquid state I go. No fixed shape, I take the form of any cup or wave or storm. I move around, I slip, I slide. In liquid form, I twist and glide. Molecules are close, but they can flow. That's the liquid state, don't you know? We're the states of matter, don't you see? Solid, liquid, gas, that's three. We change around, it's what we do. Learning with the animals and now you too. I'm Falcon, soaring way up high. I'm a gas, I fill the sky. Molecules zoom, they're far apart. They move so fast, they love to dart. In the air, I take up space. Zooming quickly, I'm in a race. A gas expands with lots of room. Flying free, there's always zoom. Owl melts to water. Fish evaporates to air. Solid to liquid, liquid to gas. We can go anywhere. And when it's cold, we freeze back down. Solids here again, in ice unfound. We're the states of matter, don't you see? Solid, liquid, gas, that's three. We change around, it's what we do. Learning with the animals and now you too. Now you too.
Wow, that was fun. We've learned about solids, liquids, and gases. But before we go, we have some questions for you. Can you name one thing around you that's a solid, like me? I'll give you a hint, it doesn't change its shape.
Now it's my turn. What liquid do you use every day? Think about something you can pour.
Last one. What gas do we all need to breathe? You can't see it, but it's all around. Great job. Keep exploring the states of matter, and we'll see you in the next adventure.
Bye-bye.